What's happening? What's up? What's good? I am here at the office right now. Just went on a material run. I want to show you guys how I know that the moving season is here. You will see an increase in the amount of protective materials and pads and dollies that you're buying. That's a good sign to let you know that the moving season is here. Things are heating up here in Denver, which is great. We're ready to rock and roll for this busy moving season. Just wanted to tap in real quick and let you know, maybe give you a reminder, you probably already know this. You should be buying your moving materials in bulk at a local supplier. This doesn't matter if you have a one truck operation. You shouldn't be spending a massive amount on moving materials at U-Haul, at moving materials at Lowe's or Home Depot. You should be working with the local supplier to make sure you're getting the bang for your buck. The goal is to be profitable, right? And understanding how much money you're actually spending on your moving materials. You should be buying your materials local at a local supplier like New Haven. That's who we go to. And you should be keeping track of how much money you're spending on your materials. It's really important. So we got a busy weekend here at Headband Movers and Nest to Nest Movers. I'm gonna make sure that all these trucks are ready to rock and roll. Our morning manager, he's sick. He's been sick for 3 or 4 days, so he's resting up. Hopefully we can have him back in the rotation by Friday when things get really busy. This is the end of the month push. Now, what's the end of the month push in the moving industry? People want to move at the end of the month. That's naturally when leases on apartment buildings are up, and that's when people are moving. You have to be prepared for the end of the month and be very strategic about your game plan to be able to book as many jobs as possible, because everybody wants to move at the end of the month. I'm gonna get these trucks straight, ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna get all these new pads and new materials on the trucks and set our team up for success. You should constantly be asking yourself, how can I set my crew up for success? It starts with training. It starts with you making sure that you're dialed in. You want to make sure that your team has everything they need out in the field. You don't want your team arriving to a job where they have to disassemble a king-size bed and they don't have any tools, right? So you got to have your plays and your processes dialed in. It's the morning manager's responsibility to ensure that the trucks have everything they need. He's checking the tools. He's checking mattress bags. He's checking tape. He's checking all of that just to make sure that the team's set up for success every day. Then it's my responsibility to make sure that the morning manager is doing what he's supposed to be doing. In the military, we do what's called double check, triple check. You're always double checking your gear and triple checking your soldiers, right? You want to make sure that they have everything they need when they're in the field. All right, so I'm gonna get these trucks ready to rock and roll. I hope everybody's working hard, working smart, grinding, not sweating the small stuff.